And I'm going to be starting on this gradual left turn here over Indian Pass to fly down the beach to St. Vincent. Copy, I'll follow you.
So this is Indian Pass.
Okay.
And this is St. Vincent Island, which is National Wildlife Refuge. You got a boat over right at this. There's a boat ramp right at the tip.
Yeah, okay.
A couple hundred.
St. George, right? This is Vincent and then St. George right past it. Okay. This is that, so I'll just follow you. What's the identifier for that?
For Costa?
So let's see.
Foxtrot 47 for St. George Airport. Oh, I got that from St. Vincent. Does it have an identifier? No, it's just this island right off our nose. Oh, I was thinking of an airport. Gotcha.
So for shelling, because so few, basically these two islands, if you can get to them, they're just littered with shells, as like giant shells.
Really?
Yeah. Because you got to get a boat to the backside, take like a snow sled, drag something over to throw all your stuff in, because it's all soft sand, the whole island pretty much. Yeah, but they get so few visitors that it's like the ultimate shelling in this part of Florida.
I bet this whole place is busy in the summer. Boats everywhere.
Surprisingly not. These have some rare deer like they imported from Europe like in the early 1900s, so they have these special hunts you can apply for too to hunt these weird deer that aren't anywhere else.
Wow. That's kind of like how there's buffalo on Catalina Island.
Right. So Apalachicola Island, or Apalachicola Airport, right? The open field right over there.
Okay.
That's our ultimate destination. A Spanish fleet anchored in here one winter and lost all their anchors when they left in the spring. So around town, people still have some in their yard that they've snagged over the years fishing.
That's so funny.
It was the #1 port in the South pre-Civil War. It was the big cotton port.
Yeah, I don't know too much history about this area, just because I'm from like Tampa.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Do they have any forts up here?
They didn't have a fort. They did artillery practice out on St. George.
Okay.
So they had an army camp, and it was a naval stores island. So, you know, when they still needed pitch and tar, they would cut down the pine tree. They would harvest the pine trees for turpentine and naval stores. And then the pass, the cut that they made out to the Gulf, they did in World War II as well. So these were the original passes, which are pretty treacherous in terms of the shoals, and then the currents can get running really good with the tide.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this whole island's uninhabited, and the south end of St. George, south of the cut, is all uninhabited. The lighthouse originally was on this point right out here. It blew down after Hurricane Wilma, I think it was, and they moved it and rebuilt it in the resort town on the north side.
I got him down there. Still see him.
He's back on the left side a little bit now. He's over on my side, according to the scope.
Well, I see him right back here.
Okay, yeah, I mean, that's why this is, you know, perspective is sort of interesting how it